All right, number 4, 8x squared plus 41 x plus 5. All right, so again, if we try to factor out the greatest common factor, nothing will factor from these. So we will multiply 8 times 5, and that will give us 40. And then factors of 40 are 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 4 and 10, 5 and 8. We want to add to get 41. That'd be the first pair. 2 sets of parentheses. Put the 8 in the front of both. Separate the x. Add the 1 and the 40 at the back. First sign is a bigger number. Second sign tells us they're the same. Then we got to reduce. 8 and 1 will not reduce. 8 and 40 will divide by 8. That'll leave us with a 5. And so at this point, that's what we need. So 8 x plus 1 x plus 5. All right, and then number 5. We have 10x squared minus 11xy plus 3y squared. So this one looks a little bit different because it has 2 variables, has x and y. Second term has y squared. Again, there's nothing they all have in common that we can factor out. So we'll multiply 10 times 3 and get 30. Factors of 30, 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. We want to add to get 11. That would be 5 and 6. So 2 sets of parentheses, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to put a 10 in the front, separate that x. At the back, we're going to put the 5 and the 6. Now the difference with this one is because we have a y squared at the back, we're going to separate that y squared. So this will be 5y and 6y. So that's how we'll get our 2 variables. First sign is a bigger number. That will be 6 out of 5 and 6. Gets a negative. Second sign is positive, so that means these are going to be the same sign. And then we got to reduce. So 10 and 5 are both divisible by 5. So divide by 5, that will give us 2x. Divide by 5, leave us with y. These 2 are also divisible by 2. So we're going to reduce and divide by 2, and that will give us 5x. Divide by 2, that gives us 3y. So at this point, we are completely factored. Check them. 2x times 5x, 10x squared. 2x times negative 3y, will be a negative 6xy. Negative y times 5x, will be a negative 5xy. Negative y times negative 3, positive 3y squared. When you combine the middle terms, we end up with 10x squared minus 11xy plus 3y squared. And that's what we started with. So we can be sure that this is the correct factored form. 2x